Hi friends, welcome to Shraddha Tutorials. Today I am going to discuss third problem of exercise 1 from the chapter surface area and volumes. The question given here is, there is a toy of the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeters mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. The total height of the toy is given as 15.5 centimeters and we have to find the total surface area of the toy. Here there is a toy with a cone of 3.5 radius which is mounted on hemisphere of same radius, and the total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeters. Means the height of the hemisphere will be 3.5 centimeters and the height of the cone will be 12 centimeters. Therefore, 12 plus 3.5 centimeters will be equal to total height of the toy, that is 15.5 centimeters. Okay. Now, so the given data here is radius 3.5 centimeters and the height of the cone h is 12 centimeters. And slant height, see we need slant height to find the surface area of the cone. So we don't have, they have not given the value of slant height and we have to find. Now coming to the part of total surface area of the toy is nothing but sum of the curved surface area of the hemisphere and curved surface area of the cone. So now let us find separately, means the curved surface area of the hemisphere and the curved surface area of the cone, and let us sum. Therefore, the sum will be the total surface area of the given toy. Now let us find the curved surface area of the hemisphere first. Curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. 2 into pi is 22 by 7. Unless they give you the value of pi, we can use this, that is 22 by 7. 2 pi r square. What is r? 3.5. See, I will be writing 3.5 as 7 by 2 whole square. That is 7 by 2 is nothing but 3.5. Now 2 into 22 by 7 into 49 by 4. 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 ones, 2 11s, 7 ones, 7 sevens is equal to 77 centimeter square. Means the curved surface area of the hemisphere is 77 centimeter square. And now let us find the curved surface area of cone. To find the curved surface area of the cone, we need the value of L. We don't have L here, so we have to find. Here, see, this is a right circular cone. So here it forms here a right angle triangle, and here the perpendicular sides, one is 3.5 centimeter and one is 12 centimeter, and hypotenuse. So we have to find the value of the hypotenuse, that is L. Okay. So according to Pythagoras theorem, we know that L square, that is hypotenuse side square, is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. So now one side is 3.5 centimeter. So let me write this as 7 by 2 whole square plus another side, that is 12 centimeters, 12 centimeter square. Okay. So this can be written as 49 by 4 plus 12 square, that is 144. See, this can be written as 49 plus 144 into 4 is 576 by 4. 576 by 4. Therefore, L square is equal to 625 by 4. 625 by 4. Therefore, L is equal to, means if I take root on both the sides, square root of 625 is 25, square root of 4 is 2. Now we can use the formula for finding the curved surface area of cone. Okay. So, curved surface area of cone is equal to pi r L, that is 22 by 7 into r is 7 by 2 into L, that is 25 by 2, 25 by 2, 7 will get cancelled, 2 ones, 2 11s. So, 25 into 11 is 275 by 2. This is again equal to 137.5 centimeter square. Okay. Now, so total surface area of the toy is equal to sum of the areas of hemisphere, means curved surface area of hemisphere and curved surface area of cone. Okay, that is what we have written here. And what is the curved surface area of hemisphere? 77 centimeter square. 77 centimeter square. And what is the area of curved surface area of cone? That is 137.5. Sum of these two is equal to 214.5 centimeter square. Therefore, the total surface area of the given toy is equal to 214.5 centimeter square. I hope you all understood the problem what I have discussed in this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.